I even prepared a script for this one. Woohoo! Actually, this is the second time I've tried to do this video. The first time it did not come out the way I liked it. So let's hope this one works. You guys ready? Howdy, friends. Mark of Scouting Free out of Germany tagged me in the 3 most important outdoor videos. This one was a thinker. I had to take into consideration what would I consider important outdoor videos, and that really doesn't have much to do with survival or bushcraft or anything like that. These are more personal to me. That's something I like to share with you, and instead of having 3, somehow it came out to 5. Yeah, I put some work into this one. First one is going to be by Kramm. The original channel name was Bushcraft in Nature. It's experience an inner peace, go outside, camp, and hike. To me, this video tells you, go out in nature, slow down, enjoy your surroundings, take it all in, and relax. Really good video, not a lot of talking in it, but it's well worth the watch. The second one was going to be by Billy Joe of Bill in the Hills. It's called The Black Spirit Wolf in Big South Fork. I bet you're thinking, what does this have to do with outdoor videos? Well, this video, it's a really good story because Billy Joe's a hell of a storyteller, but it's telling me there's other things in nature besides animals. If you slow down enough, you will see them and they will reveal yourself to you. And if you ask me, this video is very true. I can vouch for it. I know the people involved. The third one is going to be Bud of Caveman Outdoors. He doesn't do a lot of videos anymore, and Bud, after talking to you last night, I went on a mini marathon. Dude, start doing videos again. Freaking awesome, man. Anyway, I started following Bud way back before he even got popular. And the video I chose out of his, and it's going to sound really weird to you all, but it's Twisted Knee at Butterfield Hiking Trail. Little explanation is, he went out hiking, he blew his freaking knee out. Instead of giving up and calling for help, he pushed through it and got everything taken care of, and he's still hiking to this day. Hasn't slowed down one freaking bit. And that means don't give up. Keep going. This next one, and it's not because he tagged me, so Mick, don't think that. I mean, Mark, I'm sorry, I keep calling him Mick. But it's Mark of Scouting Free. This one is really important, and you'll understand why here in a minute. It's mountain hiking tips for beginners and flatlanders. I don't have a lot of hills in my area or a lot of elevation change. He does. He's got mountains, and in this video he talks about altitude, I think it was loss of oxygen, what to carry, how to pace yourself. I don't want to ruin it for you, but that is definitely a video well worth checking out. Which brings me to the 5th video. And there's a reason for this. Jason and Krys, and they changed the name of their channel, it's going to throw me off, is BuffaloRiverBackcountry. Hem in the Hollow Day Hike. And I don't know if I pronounced that right. Okay, this video was done a while back. Now, originally, they lived in a flatland. I mean, there wasn't a hill anywhere. So from the beginning of this video, they talk about their experiences of actually hiking in the hills of Arkansas. And if you've ever been down there, it's some serious stuff. Not like the mountains of Germany, but they go throughout the entire video and categorize their hike and explain what they're feeling, how they're doing emotionally. And then at the end of the video, they do a sit down. It's real important. You need to watch that. Which why I included Mark's video about how to hike in the mountains for flatlanders. The sun has finally come out. Where the heck have you been? That's my 5 favorite videos right there, and I think you should give them a watch. Once again, they're not about survival. They're about enjoying nature, overcoming your obstacles, and pushing on. Now, I'm going to do something. I'm going to do a little different on the back end here. I know it wasn't required of me. But I'd like to mention I've got 5 channels here that I think are really excellent, and you should check out if you get a chance. The first one is Rajesh of Smelling Roses. He does a lot of hiking and shows different areas of the country or all over the world. I don't want to ruin it, but he did one somewhere that was really freaking cool. The next one is John, the MI Woodsman. Besides being a supporter of all the small channels, he gives them shout outs and watches them and comments. He's a great guy, tells it like it is, doesn't BS you. Third one is going to be Karl of Karl's Outdoors and Adventures. Why I like him? Because I met him about 4 years ago, and he was really shy in his video filming, but now he's come out of his shell. He's doing awesome cooking videos, which I enjoy. I don't miss many meals. He explains how he does it, and his editing technique is just getting way up there, top notch. I got to throw this one in there. I love this guy. It is Shane Coffey of Shane Coffey Outdoors. This dude, when it comes to stoves, he's the man. Anything you need an outdoor stove for, this guy knows all about it. Very knowledgeable. This guy, I really like him, and he really needs to start doing videos again because I've been following him from the beginning too. It is going to be Steve of So Steve. He's really inventive. In his earlier videos, he shows some of the things he has made to help with being outdoors. I don't want to ruin it for you. You need to check his channel out. And he always closes his videos by yelling, "Get out!" Which I think is really freaking cool. So there's been my tag. Yeah, I did 5. I think they're all important and they're well worth watching. If you get a chance, please check those out. Links will obviously be down in the description box of my 5 important videos, along with my 5 favorite channels that I enjoy watching. You're more than welcome to participate in this tag. You can leave it down in the comment section. You can do a video. You can list as many channels as you think. They can be about anything. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up, friends. The sun is coming out. I foresee a siesta coming on. Comments are more than welcome. Thanks for the tag, Mick. Mark. I don't know why I do that. Thanks for the tag, Mark. And I almost made it through the video without screwing up. Like always, friends, thanks for watching.